Hey, hey, hey,
Hey,
hey,
hey, hey, hey, hey, hey, hey. Yes,
hey,
sir. We streaming?
hey.
We're on?
Yeah, we're here.
Yes, sir. We're back again for another live stream. Another week with whole different vibes in this thing in here. We're here with the vibes, with the full on vibes to do some LeetCode this afternoon, this great evening. And I'm excited. How you doing, Carlos? I know you're vibing. I know you're vibing. You're going all out. You're crazy in here. Hey,
I'm
hey,
feeling it.
hey.
Hey,
You're
hey,
feeling it crazy, man. Woo. Yes, sir.
hey, hey, hey. I just want to keep playing the song, bro.
Hey, you go for it, my
Uh,
guy.
uh,
We can have it in the
hey, hey,
background.
hey,
Yes,
hey,
sir.
hey, 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 hey. All right.
Hey.
Yeah, that song's fire, bro.
Damn,
I don't know
it
what to
is
say.
fine, bro. The vibes are good. Like the vibes, it's really, really good. So how you been,
Anyways,
brother? How's the weekend? How's everything going? You know, how's the first
I've
week of
been
school treating you? You know what I'm saying?
I've been alright, man. I've been
You
sick
been
for the
alright?
past couple days.
You told me that. Yep, yeah, yeah.
I
You've
think
been.
ever since Tuesday. So, still recovering a little bit. Still got some
Yep.
congestion. Wait, hold up.
Hey,
Whoa. Oh.
hey, yo.
Hey, hey, hey,
Hey, hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey, hey,
hey,
hey, hey.
hey, hey. All right, I'm back. I'm back.
I good. I good.
Um, yeah, I've been alright. I've been alright. Been a little sick. Um, but I just saw the Chiefs game, the Chiefs and Bills.
Bro, that game
Um,
is.
I thought it was a good game. I fell asleep a little bit, so I didn't get to see like every little thing, but I was able to catch the ending. So
Yeah. No,
other than that,
I watched it completely. It was a good game. It was a good game. And damn, bro, they're long, bro. I can't wrap my idea how like a 60-minute game turned into like a 3-hour game or some, bro. It's
yeah,
wild.
yeah, man, yeah,
Yep,
that's it.
yep, yep.
All that time adds up. Um,
Adding up at the end, yeah.
yeah,
No,
but
but
let me see.
I have a hot take, but unfortunately, we're gonna see Patrick Mahomes again. I was hoping for the Bills to win. You know what I'm
Oh,
saying?
really?
Yeah, cause I don't know, I just like I don't know, I wanted the Bills to win. Uh, but we're gonna have the Kansas Chiefs again.
Well, I
You
wanted to
know,
see Patrick Mahomes potentially do a three-peat.
a three-peat. Oh, it's
Yeah.
cause I have nothing against that, but what I've seen like in the reels, like on Instagram, how like the Chiefs kind of cheat and they favor the Chiefs a lot.
Okay.
I don't. It doesn't rub well with me. Because I've seen some clips like last game where they did caught some flags, and it was like, nah, like that one's supposed to be a flag, right? But like so that's why I was asking. I was like wanting for the Chiefs to lose because I don't know. It just feels if it's not cool, right?
Okay.
But other than that, they hopefully they win the three-peat. That'd be nice. But the Eagles seem powerful. They beat the Commanders by like 30 points.
Yeah, I
What?
saw that.
That's crazy. That's crazy. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything goes as planned. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
All
Whenever
right, if
you're
you're
ready,
ready,
man,
I'm
I'm
ready.
here.
Yeah, I'm ready too. I'm ready too. I'm
All
ready
right.
too.
So
Alrighty, so
Jose, what are we doing, man?
yeah, I think today we're gonna do something similar to live stream where we're gonna pick and choose one of our LeetCode problems. Since we didn't, well, since me personally didn't have time to prepare for the LeetCode problems, we decided we're gonna do one problem today that we choose and that that we can know we can do and that's gonna challenge us a little bit, right? And not lie, brother. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm a little tired today.
Okay.
I haven't been able to sleep that very well this past week, couple days. So so I'm a little bit tired right now and stuff. And
All
then
right.
tomorrow, bro, I got a 9 a.m. class, bro.
Oh.
I have to wake up at 7 to get ready, get
Oh,
the
it's in
food going
person.
on. It's in person, bro.
Oh.
Then I have to drive over
Wait,
there.
what
We gotta
class is
go.
that?
That's web technologies.
Eh.
The class is not that bad. It's pretty chill, pretty all right.
Yeah.
It's not that long. It's 50 minutes and stuff. But like
And
still,
then
waking up at 7, oh, bro,
yeah,
it's
what
just
class do you have after it?
I have programming languages.
And that
Yeah.
one's online or no?
Yeah, that one's online, but I just have like an hour gap, so I can't
Mm-hmm.
really go back home. So I just have to stay there until finish that, and then I get home, go home.
Damn.
But yeah, so yeah, I think on Friday I woke up and it was 7:30. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna sleep in, a little bit. I still got time. And then 5 minutes later, I'm like, damn, I have a 9 a.m. class. I have to wake up.
Yeah.
So it was a little bit rough, but other than that, I'm great. I'm ready to go, ready to start this LeetCode. Enough japping,
Enough
I think I'm
japping.
japping.
Enough
I think I'm
japping.
japping a lot. I think I'm
We're
japping a
not
lot.
we're not japping anymore. Whoa, wait, whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, whoa, 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 whoa,
Wait,
whoa.
we don't mean it like I know that sounds a little bit weird,
Yeah,
but we mean yapping. We're
yeah.
yapping.
What do you mean,
My
bro?
bad.
What
It's
do you
because
thought it
I was
was,
making
bro?
fun of you saying
Hey,
I was making
oh,
fun of you, and then I thought about it, and it's like kind of sounds a little weird. So I just wanted to pull back. I
hey,
wanted
hey,
to pull back on
yo,
that.
yeah. Pause.
Yeah, yeah.
Rewind. Nah.
Not weird like that, but it was just I don't know. Never mind. I don't even want to bring it up. All right.
Yeah,
Yap
I'm good,
session's
brother.
over. Yap session's
Yep,
over.
session is over,
All
officially
right.
over.
All right,
But
Jose. Which one are you thinking?
all right. So I think I sent you the link
Oh,
for the Excalibur, but it's 2269. If you wanna look it up right there, is find the K beauty of a number,
okay.
sir.
Can you see this on my
Um,
screen?
yes, I can see that on your
You
screen.
want to start right here, or you want to start in the lead code section?
I'll take LeetCode session. That way we have it in there. I think it's 2269. Yes, sir. Alrighty. So LeetCode 2269. You want me to read it?
Yes, please.
Yes, I got you. All right. So this LeetCode 2269. Find the K beauty of a number, and it's an easy problem, and it says the following: the K beauty of a integer num is defined as a number of substrings of num when it's read as a string that meet the following conditions. It has length of K. It is a divisor of num. Given integers num and K, return the K beauty of a number. No leading zeros are allowed. Zero is not a divisor of any value. A substring is a contiguous sequence of a character in a string. Example 1, input number 240, K2, output 2. Explanation, the following are the substrings of a number of length K. 24 from 24 of 240 is a divisor of 240. 40 is a divisor of 240. Therefore, the K beauty is 2. Then example 2, we're given that number with a K of 2. We have an output 2, and the following are the substrings of number of length K. Oh, my computer's about to die. Give me a sec. Give
No,
me a sec.
stay with me.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Saved by the bell. Length by K. 43 is a divisor of 43, 00, 43. 30 is not a divisor. 00 is not a divisor. 04 is not a divisor. 43 is not a divisor. Therefore, the K beauty is 2. All right. Okay. Okay. I think the explanation didn't really
No,
do a great job.
I
You
agree
know.
with you.
Yeah.
I agree with you, man.
It was more of a, what's it called? Tongue twisters? Tongue uh, uh like, it was weird.
Yes.
It's a weird explanation. It's a weird
Yeah, I
explanation.
got you. No, I got
Yeah.
you, man.
But I think what I saw is that we're given a value, in this case, for example 1, given value of 240. With K, we could that with 2 with K equals 2. So we have to get a substring of 2 numbers of 240. So it's gonna be 2440, right? So we only allow 2 substring of length 2, right? And we have to check for every substring if that can be a divisor of the full number of 240. So we're gonna go by pairs of K depending on K.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think the hardest part, yeah, I think the hardest part is trying to find like the substrings and turn it into like a integer and finding out if it's a divisor or something like that. But I think we can do
So,
it.
so we with the num we're given,
Yeah.
we check. Hold on. Why is it only showing examples where it goes every 2 digits?
Oh, because K is 2. K is 2. If K is 3,
Ah,
we'll get
yes,
3.
yes.
Yeah, we'll get
Oh, okay,
3
okay,
substrings.
okay,
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay, okay, okay. So, okay, I think I don't know. I'm pretty sure you just said it right now, but from my understanding,
Yeah.
you go every 2 times, like you shift until you shift throughout the num, uh, with the window of 2 or whatever k is, right?
Yeah.
And you check to see if that number is uh is a divisor of the whole num,
Yeah. Yeah.
and you
Pretty much.
count how
Yes.
many of those are within this.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay, okay. I'm
Yeah.
here. I'm here.
Pretty much. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. I know, brother. I know.
All
It
right.
was a hype song. It was a hype song, bro.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. So do we go to the Excalijar or what are you thinking?
I mean, I think we can do it like
Okay.
this. I think we
Okay.
just have to figure out like the
And
substring
if,
stuff like that.
all right.
Yeah.
So do I think of an approach or you already have something in mind?
I'm blank. I
Okay.
have blanks.
So so we know it's almost like what I imagine K. I'm just throwing stuff out there, right?
Yep.
I'm just
Yep.
throwing stuff out there. When I
Yep. Yep. Yep.
imagine the way K acts is like a window, and
Yes.
we're gonna shift that window
Yeah.
throughout until it hits the end. So if
Yes.
we could
Yes.
figure out this shifting loop, if you will, I think we got it. I mean, I don't know if it's that difficult as long as we just shift it over, and
Yeah.
each shift you modulo the number by that current shift value.
Yes. Yes.
And then
Yes.
if it's 0, then that means it's a divisor. If it's
Yeah.
not, then
Yeah.
that means it's not, and you shift it over next.
Yes. Pretty much. Yep. Yep. Yeah or nay?
Yeah, I'm just thinking the shifting part. I'm trying to remember.
Um. I mean, we do need a for loop, or we could do a while. Hmm. No, but I think we'll need a while. Let's see.
Because then you got to combine the numbers. Like,
Yeah.
you know, like how?
Or
Oh, you could split. You could. No.
what we can do, uvas. We could do a for loop, right? And we just get the and we add
So
k to the I.
loop through the num. Is that correct?
Yeah, loop through num. Yes,
But
yes.
so that means we gotta convert num. We gotta
Into a
split it
string.
into an
Into a
array or
string.
something.
I think we can loop through a string in Python. I think we can yeah, treat it as like a array of characters.
Or should we put it in an array as integers?
Ooh, that's smart. But how would you split it though? Because splitting I think only works with strings.
Hmm. So we loop through num.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start there. And then we have a. We set the initial size. So I imagine we have like a left pointer and a right pointer,
Okay.
right?
Uh,
But do we need that though? I'm trying to think of a different way without the use of that. I mean,
um,
you could use like if it was an array, you could use the index and do a range. You could say from 0 to 3, and that's the window, and then you just adjust that each shift. So if 0 goes to 1, then 3 goes to 4. And then if
like a double pointer.
yeah, but it's like it's using an array using the oh my gosh, I'm blanking. It's using the array. This one. Look. Imagine this. So then it's I. It's like 0, and then 3, and then it's like this is in a loop. Okay, so this is in a loop, and this is the range, or like the window. Okay, and then this for the next loop, it goes to 1 and 4, but this is just with this notation, you're getting a list of a subset of elements. So we gotta conjoin these subsets into a number again, and then modulo it with the total num. That makes
Okay.
sense.
Yes, that makes sense.
So
Yeah, and I think
this is gonna be a subset of strings, right?
yeah,
So I don't know. I'm just calling number, and then you gotta change it into actual. You gotta conjoin them and change it to an actual integer.
yes,
But
yeah.
what's a
I
better
feel you.
way to do that? Is it this way, where you have maybe I
I would
and
say
then
I plus k,
K?
I plus k, I
You know what
plus
I'm saying?
k. Yes, and I'll no I then I plus k, and then yeah, just like that. Yeah. Uh-huh. And that'll give us our number, right? But we'll have to to split the
Huh?
number itself. We'll have to split the number,
We have
right?
to split it beforehand. Yeah,
Yeah, but for that we can first turn it into string,
string
the number into
and
string,
then split.
then split it. Yeah. So we can do string and split, yeah. And then after that, we can loop, right?
Yep.
You can loop through num, subset of strings, and then change, back to number. We'll need a
And
counter
then
to check out the K beauty to keep track of that. But we can do modulo by num. Yeah, you got it. Modulo.
I don't know what to call it. By
Yeah.
main num. Okay. Orcus, what's up, Orcus? How you doing?
Oh, Orcus in the stream. Hey, what up, Orcus? Welcome to the stream, brother.
All right. And
Yeah.
then return
We'll have to check though when we need
whenever it hits the when I plus
when we
K ends. When I plus K hits the length or no?
when I plus K is greater than the length.
Okay. So that'll be beforehand right here, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Following LeetCode to do coding, guys. Not right now. This one we chose 2269 from LeetCode's website. We didn't this stream we didn't follow the LeetCode, but next stream we will, because we got, well, me personally, I got distracted with the football game, so I didn't prepare myself for the LeetCode, right? But hey, next stream for sure we'll have some LeetCode up and running, 100%. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think we got it a little bit. We
Yeah,
got
I
it.
think we got it.
You
Yeah,
wanna
we can
start?
start coding
Okay.
it up. Yeah.
All right.
All right. So,
Orcus, how you been, man? What you been up to? How's school? You're still in school? What's going on? You dropped out? I don't know. What's been up. Okay.
all right. So for that, we can call a variable, whatever variable you want to call. Let's say num text, num array, maybe, or num. Yeah, think so. And then we're gonna turn into string, which is str parentheses num. And then we're gonna equal it. Yeah,
like that with a space or no space?
no space, no space.
Doesn't this already make it into an array?
Yes, that makes sense in an array already.
Okay.
Now we have to
school.
loop.
I'm working for special cars. Oh shoot, my bad. Or see, look, that's why I asked these questions.
Oh,
My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad.
hey,
That's on me.
too fast.
That's on me. You got me right-handed.
Too fast. Damn.
So how's that been? How's work been? Any goals within work that you have? Like what's going on? I'm trying to figure that out. I'm just curious. You don't have to share it, but I'm just curious. It's always good to have some goals.
Yes, sir. Oh.
All right.
Damn,
Please.
too soon.
Oh.
Ooh, bro. Ooh, fast, bro.
Jose. Don't tell me
Yo.
that was the issue. Bro. What's going on, bro?
Yo, because I think we need you.
We
LeetCode
need-
needs
We
you.
need a network
It
engineer.
has some network issues over here.
Okay, look, it's not split. Why is it not split, Jose?
Not sure.
Are we gonna just do it afterwards?
Nah.
No, you don't think so?
No, I don't think so.
So what do you think?
Give me a second. Give me a second. That should work.
Ooh. I'm messing with the song. Hold up. No, keep thinking actually. I'm messing with the song. Hey. Uh, hey,
Hey, hey.
dude, there's a song I heard earlier. I might have to play it.
Go for it, brother.
Hey, chat. I'm gonna need y'all to listen to. Oh, I'm gonna need y'all to
Hey,
listen to this.
yo.
Give me a second.
Okay, I see. I see
Okay,
how
what
we can
happened?
do it. I see
What
how we can do it. We can use list. So instead of
Oh,
yeah, list, and then inside you use the str num of
okay.
list. It's like list parentheses str num. Yes, sir.
Like that.
Just like that. Yep, yep, yep. Uh,
Oh, perfect. Thank you,
all right.
Jose.
Guys, I have an idea that could make you a better programmer. Can get placement in any company if you want, and also is one way to attract more audiences as well. I mean, you can drop it. We're open to see what's up with the idea. Feel free to drop it in the chat or in the Discord, whatever you're more comfortable with. Yes, sir.
All right, ready? I'm
All
about
right.
to play the song.
Okay.
We can still continue or. Hey, hey.
Damn. Damn.
We can still do our
Damn.
LeetCode. It's just I'm just gonna have it on for a little bit. Hey,
All right. I see you.
I see you.
I see you.
Okay, I'm doing good, guys. Just started work, and yeah, man, life is good for now. Good
Hey.
stuff.
That's
Good
good,
stuff.
brother. That's good. Good to hear that, brother.
All right, let's keep going.
All right.
Loop
So we
through
have to
now.
loop through
Okay.
it. Loop through numerous.
Okay. Range. Lane.
Oh, the idea is to do a project on live stream.
You know what? Wait for the beat drop. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey,
Okay.
hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Okay.
Wait for it.
Oh.
Dude, this goes crazy.
Let's go crazy, bro. Bro, with some lights, some lasers.
Dude, we need some lasers, man. That'd be crazy. Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
Orcus, the idea is to do a project on live stream. Oh. No, we've thought about this one.
you
We
know
thought about
what?
this one.
I actually, it could be useful for the rest of your life so long as you're updating it little every now and then. You know what, Orcus? We just might have to do that.
I'm down to do that.
But what do you think, man? It's because like I mean we have some regulars that join the stream. I wonder if it's gonna be like a new change and maybe
That is
they
true.
wouldn't want to watch a project stream. Oh, could be added to your resume as well. Yeah, that is true.
That is true.
We gotta still think about that. I like the idea.
Yeah.
It's a
I
great
like the
idea.
idea. But like Carter said, that'd be like a switch of like everything. You know what I'm saying? But Ufas. If we do,
I,
if we
and I'm only saying that because I wonder if we could do. I don't know if we could do both at the
two
same time.
streams, yeah.
That's the only problem.
I mean, I'm down to do it if we find a good project to do. That'd be like a good, I don't know, like a good project that we can both feel comfortable doing.
Yeah.
I'm down
But
to
then
do that.
also, how would we stream our screens?
That is so true. Too. I think on Ninja, on this afternoon, I
Oh.
can share my screen with you. Hmm.
No, I mean, you're totally right,
Orcus
Orcus.
does bring a good point.
You're totally right.
Orcus does bring a good point. Okay. We'll keep it in mind, Orcus. We'll keep it in mind. We'll definitely keep it in mind.
Doing coding. Yeah. No, I get you, I get you, Orcus.
No, we'll keep it in mind. We'll keep it in mind. If we do find something that we both feel comfortable in doing, I'm down to do
I mean, me and Jose, we got a project that we work on together. That's the thing.
Yeah, we do.
It's just like
We do.
I don't know if we want to stream that project specifically.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Maybe the front end side. Maybe I don't know how Jose feels about that,
I mean, I'm down for it. Yeah, no matter.
but the
No
back end,
matter.
I'm a little bit shy.
Damn,
I'm a little
bro.
bit shy.
Ah, good, bro. Ah, good. That's what we learn.
Going back to the other music. Hey,
Hey, Alex, and
Alex, what's
what
up,
up, brother?
Alex?
What up? What up? What up? What up? How you been, brother? Have it? Hmm.
Okay, what's
Haven't
this I
seen.
plus K? No, yeah,
Okay,
they showed
okay.
up last time, didn't they?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 I just want to confirm. Hey, welcome
Yes.
back, brother. Welcome back. All
Welcome
right.
back, Alex.
Snap back in. Snap back in.
Okay, we're here. We're here. We're
Uh.
here.
Okay. So we got the range of length number. Yes. So we have to do if I plus k.
But what's K?
K is the range, the window, the window. Like how many numbers we're gonna get. Yeah, yeah,
Ah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So if we go I plus k, that means we're out. And if it's
Mm-hmm.
greater than length, greater than length, right, right, right. We have to, break out, break out.
Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. And then for that, now we're gonna go. No, no. Now we're gonna go number range. You can do that. Will equal to whatever. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ufas. Got it wrong. I think
Ufas.
you got it. It's the other way around. I think.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Orcas, you guys both don't have to share the screen, but you could share one screen and you can both work on that session. There's an extension for that in VS Code. Yes, I think it's VS Code Live, VS Code something like that. VS Code Share, Video Share, or something like that. I think we used it before for another project, and it's a pretty cool extension. It's pretty nice. But I mean, if Carlos is down, I can share my screen.
I think
I
I
can
think
share.
what would be really cool, but just depends how it looks like. If we have both our screens split like side by side,
Oh, okay.
or maybe horizontal, and I think we could do it. Like you said, the ninja allows us to share the screen, so I think it's
Yeah,
possible. It's just something we
yeah.
have to work through for sure.
Yeah, or I'm down to like flip through like every certain amount of time we can like flip it, switch it out. But I mean, hey,
Okay, so Orcus is saying a totally new
ooh, okay,
project.
okay.
Work on a new project.
Hey, we can think about one. I'm down to think about one and see what the goal is of that project will be or what it is, and then bam, we can start it.
All right. So how do I do
Yeah,
this join thing?
I think it's the other way around. You do have to put the num array inside the join and the little quotations outside. Like flip the quotations outside with like dot quotations dot join, then num array inside. Yep, yep, yep.
Dot.
No, 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 no.
No.
Go to the other on the equal. Go to the left of num array. No, no, no. Go to the right of the equal. Right there. You're gonna go quotations. Just right there. Another one. Dot join, and then the other thing, right? Talking about projects, Orcus, what do you recommend us to do? What's like some ideas, some things that would look good in a resume, right? Some tips on like new projects, right? That you think they're gonna help us out and that we can share in the live stream. That'd be uh that'd be pretty helpful for sure. Mm, mm, mm. All right, so we have to create a counter outside. Yeah. Interested in front end design and odd stuff.
What field?
Like I like doing front end and everything. I find that kind of fun and stuff. But I do want to extend a little bit outside front end because I think I have a pretty not for like I'm not expert or anything, but I have a good idea of how things work and stuff. And I do want to start doing some like logic ish approach now, like some AI, some AI, I don't know, using APIs and stuff like that. Because I also want to learn that part of the programming aspect. So yeah, for sure. I don't know about Carlos. I know he really does like the back end, like a
Yeah,
lot, a lot, a lot.
I do. I like the back end and just more like architecture wise, like how to make the back end system as efficient as possible. That's kind of my interest. But I mean, me and Jose, we got some good ideas. I'm pretty sure there's
Yeah,
a couple of ideas in the vault that we have. You know what I just thought about, Jose?
the seamless copy and paster.
I just thought about our hackathon project, bro. It just made me upset.
Oh, we could have won that, bro.
It just
Ooh,
made me
talking about
upset.
hackathon project, you want to do? You remember we had another idea?
It was the algorithms one, right? Or
Yeah,
no? Which one was
yeah,
it?
yeah. That one.
Yeah, what about it?
We could do that one.
We could definitely do that one.
I like that idea. That's smart. That's nice.
But
I like
what's
that.
really nice is our current project that we have now, and
Oh
your front
yeah.
end that you did. Oh man, so
Ah,
good, so
thank you, bro.
eloquent.
Thank you.
I really like it. We need to make sure we finish that one so we can actually host it. And when we host it,
Yeah.
we could tell these people, our audience, to go check it out and go like break it.
Hey.
We
Oh,
need to
we got
break it.
Alan as an AWS interferer for L4 level. You only need to know how to solve easy problems and write readable and maintainable code. It is much more important than getting it perfectly correct. Easy problems and with readable and maintainable code. Okay. Okay.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay. Thank you, Alex. Thank you.
We
I
appreciate
appreciate
that,
that.
Alex.
We appreciate those tips. Thank you, brother. Appreciate those. Thank you.
Whatever you do, Alex,
We'll keep it in
don't
mind.
look at this error right now. All right? Since you said that, don't look at this error.
Thank you. Hey,
But
that's a great tip. That's a great tip.
um, what was I gonna say?
Orchid.
Okay, you keep going. Keep going.
Okay, okay. Orchid said, I mean, Jose's yes. Yeah, AI and ML. Yeah, those things would take a long time to learn for sure, 100%. But what I did find is like a lot of modules, a lot of classes. There exist a lot of AI classes out there that can do pretty much not everything, but like simple, straight stuff like natural processing and stuff and like image and all that thing. So I'm kind of leaning on like using those classes to create more like small applications, easy. But yeah, I'm interested in like a machine learning and stuff. But like you said, it's a lot of math, a lot of stuff. But I do want to learn like the classes that are out there to achieve simple, straightforward, you know, projects and ideas and stuff like that. And yeah, I think the project that we're doing right now, it's a full stack project. Me and Carlos that we're doing right now. Carlos is doing the back end, I'm doing the front end, and yeah, and it's what
And
I'm.
we got it. We got it looking
We got it looking pretty
nice. We
good.
just need,
Decent.
it's really important. We want, because this is a website, a web application we want to actually host. So we want to make sure the front end design is perfect. But Jose, uh, Jose brought up a good point and said, you know what, let's just try to get the basic form of the front end,
Yeah,
and then let's link the back end together, and then from there we'll do some updates and fine tune it, if you will.
yeah,
So
yeah,
that's kind
yeah,
of
yeah.
where we're at. We're on the fine tune area.
Yes, because thankfully, I think it was Friday, Thursday, we were able to connect them both, the front end and the back end, to communicate to each other. You know, Carlos did all the like containers, Docker, and all that stuff. So that was like, for me, that was like, right. So we connected them both, right? And you know, now like Carlos said, we're just fine tuning it there. But you know, we're almost there. You know, we got the containers up and running and stuff like that. So soon, 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 for sure, for sure. All right, Carlos, what's happening here, bro? I leave you for a minute,
So
bro. Whoa, 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 whoa.
so it's you can't modulo by 0, and it's erroring us.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So
Mm. I mean,
and
that
but
is
I'm
true.
trying to figure out how are we getting to. Oh,
Oh,
okay,
it's
okay,
because
I see
it's
what's going on. 43, 30, and then it's 0, 0. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So I think we can just do a little quick check. So like, if if no if num range is 0, just like continue. Don't break it. Continue right there. It's just, but thank you, Orcus, and thank you, Alex, for all the tips, and I said we'll keep them in mind. You know, that's what we made this channel for for like viewers to share their thoughts, their opinions, their knowledge to other viewers, right? So we appreciate it a lot, you know, with those tips and tricks, and
It's
we'll
almost been
push.
a year in the making, everyone. Alex,
Almost
you
been a year.
came almost at a year after we
A year
started.
after, yeah, yeah, yeah. But hey, it's been a good journey. I think this channel started like as a joke, you know. We were like let's do like a live stream decode, something like that, and then but now we're here a year later, you know, trying to learn our best, you know,
It
creating
was
this
a
community.
it was like he said he means a joke, like as in it was ambitious. We're like, oh, we don't know how to. We never streamed before, so like oh, let's stream weekly. Like it's kind of like funny
Yeah,
because like we don't know how to stream or anything like that. So looking back a year later, it's really cool how far we've grown. Not only um, as like learning how to stream and stuff, but solving our main goal, which was solving these problems. So
yeah,
it'll be really cool. And also, what's really cool about it is that down the line, where we have our jobs and we're achieving our goals and stuff, and we're in our careers, we get to look back at like our first ever stream, and we just see how far we've came. So I just think that that's also really cool that we have our learning experience documented.
yeah,
Um,
100%.
so I think that's really cool, and we have an opportunity to meet some great people like Orcus,
Yeah, Orcas,
Alex. You're new,
Alex
but I'm sure you dropped in some useful tips, so that's already good for me.
is
We have
dropping
a
some
lot of people
bangers.
that come by and show some support. So, like Jose said, we do appreciate that, and that's one of the key things that we were looking for when creating this account. Is we just want to build like a community of like-minded learners in the coding industry. So,
Yes, sir.
um, anyways, it looks like
Yes.
we got the first two cases.
All right. You want to look for some
So maybe we could
solutions?
look for
Not
some
solution. Some
more
test
test
cases.
cases,
Oh, don't tell me
and there's
there's
none. Well, we're screwed.
womp womp.
Uh, you want me just to like put some
Yeah,
random
yeah,
stuff?
for sure. I'm done. I'm done. No, but yeah, for sure, 100%. And you know, hey, if Carter's is down and everything, and if we do find a good project, I like the idea of doing the project, streaming the power project here and there, trying to see figure it out.
We've
And
been, you know what? Well, how about this, Orcus? You have any? Did you ask him any project ideas already or no?
yeah, yes.
Okay,
He said to do something that we like, that we're interested in. So
okay. I'm submitting
yeah,
it. Submitting it.
yeah, go for it. Get it wrong.
Just that.
Ooh, sir. Yes, sir. Beat
What's up, man?
100% of the people. 100% of the people.
That's what we're
Just
talking
like that.
about, man.
Just like that. Just like that.
What's
Sure,
up, bro?
100%. Hey, we
Let's
got
go.
5 people watching. Come on, drop a like. Come on, drop a like. To get
Drop
out
a
there and
like. Drop a like. We
see
stream weekly. We stream
stream
weekly,
weekly. Yes, sir.
and we're almost
And
at a year.
almost at a year. Almost there. Almost there.
Imagine that.
Drop
I
a
just
like.
want y'all to understand. We go to school. Some of us have work, and we still find a way to stream once a week.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Even though sometimes we might be tired because of NX reason, uh, and we kind of keep it short. We kind of deviate from the original plan, but we're always here. Make the effort of like finding some space, some slots. Because we enjoy this. Well, personally, I enjoy it a lot. And especially when the chat is talking and everything, this is amazing vibe. 100%.
All right. How you feeling, Jose? You're still tired? What are you
Oh,
thinking? What time is it? 10?
and
Ufas.
10 ufas. Well, we could do an easy one,
Easy one?
an easy one. Hey,
What's
insane
up?
levels, insane
Oh,
levels.
insane
Brother.
levels. My bad, my
Let's-
bad, my bad,
We
my bad.
respect the game.
Yes,
We
yes,
respect the game.
yes. Okay. All right, Jose. Where you at, man? How you feeling? What's going on? What's going through
I'm
your
like
head, bro?
I'm like a 6-7, bro. Killer,
6-7.
yeah,
You really must be tired.
a little bit. Is it one of those tiredness where you can like function, right?
Yeah.
But you cannot think. You just
Ooh.
consume knowledge and noise and like everything, right? But you can't really like think. You know what I'm saying? Like
I said, are
you're
you like
awake
dragging yourself? Like you're
a
dragging
little
yourself?
bit, a little bit. Yeah. Where it's like you're just there, but you get the energy to think. It's like a little bit tougher.
Uh huh.
I'm there, so that's why I'm a 6-7 here and there.
Okay.
6.5. Keep it there.
I'm gonna say I'm at a 2, bro.
All right, hey,
I'm at a
that's
2.
good, brother. That's good,
I
brother.
obviously you have other things on your mind, you know,
Yes,
and
sir.
that's
Yes,
what's
sir.
influencing your level. For me, I'm
Yeah.
actually surprised I'm at a 2. I thought I woke up an hour ago or so. Thought maybe I
Yeah.
would be a little bit tired, a little bit grumpy. But you know
Yep.
what
Yep.
I
Yep.
think made me happy was that music.
Mm. Dude, the
I think it was that music.
intro song, bro. That intro
Oh, you
song
know
was
what?
good,
I'm gonna
bro.
play it again. I'm
Uh.
gonna play the
Uh.
intro
Uh.
song.
Okay.
This is a song that gets you excited.
Gets you moving.
But anyways, okay, let's find a new problem.
A new problem. Something simple to end the day, ease the day in. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Hey, hey, hey,
Hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey.
hey, hey, hey. Yes, sir. Alrighty. Let's see. Let's go. Let me see. I'm looking for one in my end. Mm.
Dude, this song goes crazy.
Hey, 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 hey.
You're looking for one, by the way, or you want me to look?
Yes. I'm looking for one.
Oh, wait a
Hey.
minute. Wait a minute.
Okay. Jarquin. I don't know if that's
Wait.
that's your
Jarquin. Hey
Jarquin.
guys, I'm new
Jarquin.
to this stream. Can I suggest a problem that I find worthwhile? Ooh. All
Um.
right. You can.
Ufas.
I'm not gonna guarantee that we're gonna be able to solve it
That is
because
true.
I
That
don't know
is
what
true.
you're gonna suggest. So no
Yeah.
guarantees.
That we're
But
gonna solve it.
it's gonna be up to Jose. If Jose
Hey,
wants to attempt it,
I'm down.
we can.
I'm down to take it. Let's
Okay.
see how far we can go. Let's see how far we can go. I'm down to take it. Drop it in the comments. Hey, and also welcome to the stream. welcome to the channel. Hopefully, you stay here for a while. You know,
We have a Discord, by the way.
we have a Discord,
It's in
by
the
the way.
description.
It's in the description.
Number of
Only a
islands. Okay.
number of islands. Ooh, you know, I was looking into that one earlier today. Um, I think it's a graph problem, so I'm not mistaken. I think it's a graph problem.
Why is it? I can't find it.
Can you drop the number, Jarquin? If that'd be pretty useful, so we can, because LeetCode is a little bit weird with its. Wait, I think I can get it. Don't worry. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. It's 200. Yeah.
All right.
Hey, thank you, Jarquin. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay. You want
Alrighty.
me to read this one?
Yeah, for sure.
Or
Go ahead.
is this something you want to tackle?
Oh, we can try it out.
Okay.
Yeah, we can try it out.
Okay.
Hey.
So this is number 200. Number of islands given a M by N 2D binary grid, which represents a map of ones and zeros. Ones are land and zeros are water. Return the number of islands. An island is surrounded by water and is formed by connecting adjacent lands horizontally or vertically. You may assume all four edges of the grid are all surrounded by water. The dam said, let's solve problem flowing zero tracker. We do some easy and move to mediums. Is that like what are you flowing zero tracker? Could you elaborate on that one?
Yeah, for sure.
Is that a Is that like a problem? Okay. So for example, grid.
Okay.
We got this input of grid, and then if you look at it, how many islands are there? Zeros water, ones is land.
Okay.
Dude, I don't know. Where's the island? I'm confused.
It's because the islands are based on the ones. Like for example.
But ones needs to be surrounded by zeros, correct?
Yes.
At least one needs to be surrounded. Let me see. Hold on. An island surrounded by water and is formed by connecting adjacent lands horizontally or vertically. You may assume all four edges of the grid are all surrounded by water.
Yeah, like the ones represent land. Ones represent land, right? And the zeros represent water.
Yep.
Yeah, and they're connected horizontally and vertically. Yep. So that's how you can see if there's a land. For example, I put one, other ones are connected horizontally and vertically. So all of that, it's a land, pretty much.
So this one's not connected horizontal.
Then here at the bottom, we got one island on the top left, an island in the middle, second to last row in the middle, that one, and then the bottom right, another island. For like, since islands cannot be connected diagonally, it's just one island. It's just three.
So this whole land piece right here
is
an island because it's all connected. So this is one island.
Yeah.
Okay, so then you got one, two. Okay. I got
you.
I got you.
Oofas, bro.
Oofas, big oofas.
I don't
Um,
know. I remember we've solved similar problems like this before. I think I remember the approach, a similar approach that we can do on this one, but it's tough though. I don't think my head can handle it.
death,
Damn. Okay.
death first search, breath first search.
That first search. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Mm,
Oh, okay. So, how would I solve this in human form? I'm gonna go back to that approach since we're out of dynamic programming. I need to go back to my
yeah.
roots. Okay, let me
Okay.
see. Let me see. So, how I would solve this is I understand that anything that's not in this square that states if it's a land or water is
Yeah.
water. All the stuff on the outside is water. So, visually, when I see this, I know that out here there's water. Okay. So all this that's connected is one island. So, but if there's ever a disconnect, then I know that means there's two islands because there's. Okay, hold up. Jorquin. Oh my gosh. Jay said, if you guys aren't up to doing it, no problem. However, this problem is very common in interview. Yes, very common. Okay,
Okay.
okay. We gotta lock
Okay.
in then. We gotta lock in. Hold up.
Oh
Let me
man,
lock in.
you want to do it today?
Well, let's just try to break it down at
Okay.
least.
Okay. Okay.
We
I'm down
won't
for that. I'm
guarantee
down for that.
we'll but at least
Yeah.
let's break it down.
Hey, but for sure, I'm down to do an next stream. 100% we can do this one.
Okay. And maybe if y'all want
100%.
to give us some guidance, y'all could definitely comment some guidance.
Hey, but thank you, Jargrid, for suggesting this problem and Alex for confirming. And thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Alrighty. Hmm.
So I guess I
It's
would be
cause
looking to
okay.
see if this has another one touching it. If it doesn't, I'm gonna count that as an island. Yeah, and I'm gonna check. Does this one have anything else touching it? Right? And if it doesn't, then that's an island. And
Yeah.
if it does, but
Okay.
if it does, then you keep on going.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Because then you go down here, and you say like, okay, this one has another one touching it, so it's connected. Does this one have another one touching it? No, so that's one island.
Okay. So would what I was thinking is like start from one, right? And then we're gonna go one, then look around, up, bottom right, right, and then go to the next one. Then same thing, bottom right, go to the next one, bottom right, and go to the next one. So we can go to other ones until we can find the zero, right? Once we find the zero, we jump out. Oh, Jarquin said really recommend sticking to that idea. How would you recommend that? So, hey Carlos.
What's up, bro?
All right. Jarquin was commenting on you.
Oh,
Yeah, like recommended sticking with that idea. So what's
yeah, it's similar to what you just said as well.
okay,
So
alrighty,
what do you?
okay, okay.
I'm trying to understand your approach, or your what was it again?
Oh, it's just like trying to see like we grab one, like one piece of island, and then we
Right
look
here.
around. Yeah, and then
Look
we go
around.
bottom. We go to the
What do you mean
bottom,
bottom? This one.
like go to the bottom one. Yeah, then look around, go to the right, go to the right bottom, right, and then look around, then go to the top, right, and
But how
then
would you like? How are you going to this path specifically?
well, the way we've done it before is using like directionals, left, right, up, down.
I know that. It's just
Yeah.
how. Why you
Well,
choose to go down to the bottom?
oh well, you can go to either or. It just depends on. You can go to the right, you can go to the bottom, you can go to the left. It depends. I think right. For what I remember, doing similar problems like this, you can go either or, right? Doesn't really matter. It just depends on what direction you want to go first. But I think the most important part here is detecting the zeros. So, for example, if we go to the bottom left, here on example two, bottom left, the first quadrant, right, of ones, right there. If we go down, that's a zero, right? So we skip that, right? We skip that and we go to the right. Yeah or nay? We go to the right and then we look around, and since the bottom and the right are zeros, right? We go back up.
My only concern
Yeah.
is what if it's like this? Like you're gonna. What I assume is you're gonna go into a wonky path, or oh maybe not. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. 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 That was my concern, but I don't know if it's true. Um, that it might lead to a wonky path into
What do you
where
mean
we
wonky?
like um unpredictable path that
Okay.
we might
Like,
overlook island
okay.
possibly. But like I said, I haven't thought it all out to see if. But that's just my impression
Yeah. Yeah.
is
Um,
that it could potentially maybe lead to a um,
like,
misidentifying an
okay.
island. But I'm
Mm.
wondering if just going down the line, each one.
I mean, I think that would create a more wonkier path. Because if we go down the line from left to right, you're not taking into account the one to the bottom line. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Cause
It's not. You will still do the same thing. It's just you won't
oh
move in the direction.
oh
So you would
okay.
just you would check here and then like, okay, is there one touching it? Up, down, left, right. There is. Okay, you move on to the next, and then up, right, left, and you keep going down. Up, right, left, and
Oh,
then
okay. I see. I see. Okay. Okay. I see. I see. I see. I see. Mm. Okay. I see. That makes sense. That makes sense. Actually, it makes yeah. Okay. So you go down the line, and as long as it's touching one, it's part of an island.
uh, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I
Okay.
hope that's. But I'm trying to think of any edge cases that might counter that, or any counter arguments to that. I wonder. Hmm.
I mean,
I mean,
I think it works.
all right. Well, I mean, let's just. You want to
Let me
just
see.
try it? Just test it, see maybe.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm down for that.
Okay. What do you think? Think about it. You're thinking it through.
I mean, if we go down the line, if at least
Mm-hmm.
one is connected to another one, right? It's
Mm-hmm.
still an island. right?
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. We're still an island. We don't count. Still an island. Boom, boom, boom. Until we hit 1-1. Um. Okay. So think about this.
I think I thought of something too.
For example, on example 2, right? Wait. Okay. Okay. Yes. For example, in example 2, right?
Okay.
Take that one in the second to last. That one, right? No, second to last line. That one. Yeah, right there. That one, right? That for sure would be a new island, right? Because there's nothing in there. Well, it's nothing surrounding it, right? That'd be a new island. It's because I think that what's hard about that approach is that we might lose track of what islands we've already visited,
Yes.
right? Because we might hit another one in the same line as that one is, and that one is already connected to another island. But since we restarted a new island or counted a new island, right? Or we're counting a new island based on if a one is connected to another one, right? Another one.
We're only counting an island
Well,
when it's not connected.
yeah, that is true. That is true.
But I was thinking the same thing as is whenever we go to a new line, could there be a mishap or we're not keeping track of what happened in the
Yeah,
previous?
yeah,
That's what I was
yeah,
thinking. But then
yeah.
we're only counting if there's nothing around it. So that means we don't need to know what previous island there was. Or okay, oh
Well,
we got some
we got
bonus
some good
points from that
feedback. Got
insight.
some good feedback.
How would you make sure you avoid recounting islands?
Yes. Well, and also that thing. Um, with recounting islands based off like if a one is not touching, right, anything else. Well, that's the thing. Because if we go by ones, and if we check if that one is touching anything else, right,
There's
and we
no
find
other
a new
island.
island, and we find a new island, with another one that's
Mm-hmm.
touching another one's, but it's a whole separate island. We are not counting that island either, right? Because it's getting a mishap, right? It's figuring it out. And it's like, hey, this one is connected to all these ones. This one is connected to all these ones, right? So that means that they're both the same island. You know what I'm saying? Because it's
Oh, and also, I think this is kind of what you're saying. Also, like none of these will check off saying, "Oh, they're an island." Like
exactly like
like you're gonna go through all of it, and you're gonna go through all of it, and the only one you're gonna count that's island is this one based off the
exactly yeah
approach. Now,
yeah
how would you
yep yep
know that this whole thing right
is an
here is an
island,
island?
and the other
Okay,
one
okay,
on the
okay.
bottom right is
And
an
this
island.
one
So
right here.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So we have to figure out an approach how to like Jarkun said, to count and count and avoid recounting islands. One way I was thinking is like getting one, right? Like any one, and then just start visiting the other ones based on that one. Like having a DQ or a Q and say, let's get 1, for example, and let's get all the surrounding ones up, right, left, up, down, left, right ones. Get them all of them in there, put them in a DQ, and then once we visited all the ones, we pop the next one. We visited all the ones that are around it, put it in a DQ, pop another one, and we go on like that. Boom, 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 boom. And if we find the 0, we pop another one, right? And we all go like that, pa 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 pa. Yeah, I think so. Not sure. I don't know if that made sense, but like we find the 1, and then we just loop. We traverse through the surrounding ones until we traverse all the adjacent ones. I don't know if that makes sense. For example, if you want, we can go to Skelly Drop.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So, ooh, can you copy and paste it here, like the Matrix? That'd be awesome.
Oh.
Yeah, that way we can control the size of it.
Oh.
Okay. So, for example, right, we're here, right? We start. Let me do it with. We go here, right? And we add these two, right? Since we're going only horizontal,
Yes.
or vertical, horizontal, right? So we go
Uh-huh.
1, and we see, hey, 1, what are your adjacent ones? This one and this one, right?
Yep.
Boom, boom. Then we go to this one because it's adjacent. Hey, you, what are your adjacent ones? Well, it's this one and this one. But this one, we already visited that one, right? So we scratch this one and we save this one, right? But we're still with the adjacent of these, we go down here, right? We say, hey, you, what are your adjacent ones? This one's, we already have that one in the queue, right? So we scratch this one. So we just visit the ones around that one, right? And we determine if this one is a 0, if this one is 0, this one is 0, is 0. So just like that, right? So we go to left, up, right on with every queue. We create a queue for every island, pretty much.
And how would you determine about these zeros again?
Well, okay. So the way I would do it, right? Let's do this by axes. Right? We start in the beginning, 0, 0, right? Because that's a 1. And then we have a queue, right? Of these, right? And we can only go vertical and horizontal, right?
Yep.
We go to 1, right? That one is not in a that one's not in the queue, right? Since it's empty, so we do 0, 1, right? Boom. Then we go bottom, and we say, hey, is that in the queue? No, so we go 1, 0, just like that. All right. Once we determine this one, right, all the adjacents of that one, we go to the first one, which is 0, 1. So we go to 0, 1. We scratch that one out. So now we're here. We're gonna ask, hey, what is your adjacent one? We're gonna go to the left, say, hey, 1, right? Well, we
Mm-hmm.
already visited 1, right? So we go boom outside.
Okay.
This leaves that 1. Boom. We can also have a visited queue. We can say 0, 0, right? Since we already visited that one, so we can delete that. Boom, out. Then we go to the bottom. Hey, you, 1, 1. Are you in the queue? No, not yet. All right. Boom, 1, 1. Great.
And
We
you
added
went
to the
you went to 1-1 from what position?
from this one right here.
Okay, okay.
Right. Then we go to the right. Hey, you're a 0. I don't want zeros. That's big no no. It's water. I'm gonna drown. Right.
I'm a
So
child.
I'm gonna drown. So now that we already visited all the adjacent values,
Uh-huh.
right? We pop another queue, which is 1, 0. We move this onto 0, 1, and we go 1, 0. Where's 1, 0? Over here, right? So 1, 0 is going to check the same thing. Hey, 1, or hey, 0, 0. Have I visited you? Yes, we have
Yep.
visited you, right? 1, 1. Hey, you. Have I visited you? No, but are you in the queue? Yes. Easy as that. Boom, right? So since we're,
Don't mean to interrupt. Alex
yeah.
just said, great discussion. And then Alex said, need to go to sleep, almost midnight, but I want to see how you solve it.
Hey, thank you, brother. Hey, if you need to
uh
go to sleep, brother. But hey,
Jay,
thank you for the
yes, Alex, thank you so much, man. I
thank you, thank
appreciate
you, thank you.
you. watching. Jay says it's really liking this approach they're coming up with. Wouldn't you agree, Alex? And then yeah, they're getting close. Ooh, Jose,
Hey,
you're getting
let's
close,
go. Hey,
Jose.
hey, 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 hey.
All right, right. Keep going. I'm here. I'm here.
Hey, thank you, Jargon. Thank you, Alex. If you guys have to go, thank you guys for
Yeah, we
tuning in.
appreciate y'all so
Hopefully, you
much.
guys come back.
Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Hey, the stream, you could come back and see the stream later on. Like
This
it doesn't go away. Like all our
doesn't
streams
go
are
away.
recorded, so you don't have to
Yeah,
be here live if you don't want to.
yeah.
Or
Hey,
not if you don't want to. It's if you gotta go to sleep, go to sleep. It's all
yes,
good.
sir. Hey, all good, brother. We understand.
That ain't no
We
problem.
understand. Yes, sir. All right, where were we at? Okay,
All
so
right.
we're in the
Yep.
1-0. We're still here, right? One
Yep. Yep.
zero. We already checked the bottom. Hey, 0. Hey, you're on my drown. Left, outside, out of
Yep.
bounds. Top. We already checked that, right? So boom. This one's out. This one's out. We go 1-0. And now we go to this corner right here. Because that's a 1. 1
1
1.
1.
We're in
Yep.
1 1.
Mm-hmm.
1 1. Boom. And you say, hey, 1 1. Let's go to the top. Top. We already
We already
visited it.
went. Perfect.
Go to the left.
We already went.
We already visited.
Perfect.
0, bottom 0, right 0. Right? Boom. We pop that one. This one
And
is
now
out.
the queue is empty.
Empty. And if the
And then
queue
you
is empty,
know
that's an
that's the
island.
end of your island. Wow.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, now next question. Now from here, where do you go next?
Well, we can loop through each of the ones. Boom, 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 boom. Trying to look for the other one. Hey,
Okay,
this
and then you
one.
do and then you run
Yeah,
the same.
yeah, same
So
logic on that. And we check,
so
we avoid repeated ones by the visited queue. If we already visited the one, we just pop it out. We just leave.
so how would we have we would start right here, right? Like you
Yeah,
said.
yeah,
And then once the queue gets popped, everything gets popped, and we realize, and we ended off right here though.
yeah.
Yay or nay?
Well, no,
Or we're over
we're
here,
still here.
and
We're
then
still here.
we're in like this function loop or this queue
Well,
zone. Like,
I
how do
think
we
it works
get
that
back to this position?
we're still here though. We're still here. Like the only thing
Oh
we're
yes,
doing,
yes, it's going in the
yeah, we're still here though. We're just
okay,
popping it in here. Yeah, we're still here. And then the only
okay,
thing is
okay.
just we're gonna move like that. Boom, 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 boom,
And
boom, boom,
then
boom,
when you
boom.
move over, you're looking at the visited, and you're
Yeah,
saying,
we're
okay,
looking at the visit.
we already went to
Yeah,
this one, so just keep going.
yeah. Keep on going till we find the next one. Figure out what islands are around. This one, we're gonna pop that one in the queue. Boom, 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 and yada. Yeah, I think
Okay,
that
I think
approach
that's
might
it
help.
then.
Think
No,
that approach
I
might
think
help.
that's it.
Yeah, but I'm not sure how to implement it. I just know the idea, right? But yeah. Ooh, fast.
Okay, well, yeah, let's try it. Okay, let's try it. So, with that being said, let me try to break it down. So we start at 0 0.
Yeah,
Yay or nay?
yeah,
Oh, uh, oh, start at 0 0, and then we check left, right, up, down,
hey, thank you,
and
Jargon.
add one,
Appreciate it.
two, and add to queue, and add ones to queue. Um, move. Let's see. Go to first item. First item in queue, and check left, right, up, down, and add ones to queue.
Yeah.
Sounds good so far. Sounds good so far.
I think so. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, and then uh, and then pop or yeah, pop old uh, pop it into visited.
Yes, you can say that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can say that. You can say that. You can say
Whatever
that.
you want. Okay,
Or add it to visit it. Yeah, pretty
or add
much.
it to visited. Yeah, and then once the once there's no more if there's no more ones, if there's no more ones,
Re-increment counter.
if Q is empty, counter no. Okay. This stuff in the inside needs to be
Huh? In the inside? What do you mean?
no, I'm thinking of so ones, throw it in the queue, throw all of it in the queue, then you go to the first one in the queue, you check all of it, you keep adding to the queue if there's more ones. If there's no more ones, then you pop it where you're currently at. Wait. Okay. Show me how the queue would look like.
What do you mean?
So this is our queue right here.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a tuple.
Starting at okay, so it's gonna starting at
Like X and Y.
starting right here. Let's walk through it. How would the queue look like? So it'll be
Nice.
so we're at 0 0, and that's a 1. So then it'll
Uh-huh.
be 0 0, and then it's down. You want to
They're
go down
one.
first,
Well,
or
whatever your call.
okay? So then we'll go down first. So then that'll be 1 0,
Yeah.
and then we go right. And that'll be 0 1. Okay, and then that's all we have so far, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or we don't count 0 0.
At the beginning, yes. I think we'll have to count 0 at the beginning.
Okay. And then where do we then how do we go we loop through no, not loop.
We pop them.
We pop. Okay.
Yeah, we pop it
So
as a tuple and save it as X and Y.
Jay said, "All right, boys, have a good night. You got this. I appreciate that.
Hey, thank you,
You have a
Jarquin.
good night. Make sure to come to whenever you wake up, or whatever, whenever you can. Check to see if we solved it. Come
Yes,
back
sir.
and leave a comment, maybe if you want to, but if you really want to check, it'll be posted. So, anyways, um, my question is once you have it in the queue, when do you actually pop it and start?
Well, we're gonna have a while loop. While Q, meaning like while Q has something, right? In every iteration of the
Yes.
while loop, we're gonna pop it and we're gonna go into that position and check if it's a 1 or a 0.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Like we're gonna pop that one, right? So I was thinking it's like we have a for loop, right? That's gonna loop 2D for loop that loops through the entire 2D array, right? Once we find the one, we're gonna send it to this function that we're gonna have, and that function is basically gonna add that uh that um that position into the queue, right? First, and then the while loop is gonna say while queue, right? It's gonna say while queue, and then it's gonna pop it. So it's gonna pop the first position we're in, right? And then we're gonna traverse all around of that position, right? And then we're gonna add all the ones around it, the positions the one to the queue. And after that, we're gonna keep on going, and then we're gonna
Okay.
keep on going, and then we're gonna keep on going, and then we're gonna keep on going. Yes.
Okay.
Damn, bro, I might be cooked, bro.
Hey, yeah, let me know, bro, because I know it's getting late.
Yeah,
What do you
yeah.
think?
Let's do a little bit more, a little bit more. Like at 11 o'clock, give or take.
11? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey,
Okay.
but we can solve this one, like, for sure. I know we can solve it, 100%.
I mean, it seems like you got the approach down.
Yeah.
It's up to you, bro. I don't want to keep you here. We have the
Uh,
approach.
yeah. I'm down to
I
do
ain't tripping.
11. Let's do 11.
Okay.
11. Call it up there. Yeah, yeah. That way we can have some approach, something coded up for the viewers that are gonna return to
Okay.
do this. Yes,
So
yes.
I guess tell me how to start it then.
All right. So first we need a for loop,
For loop.
right? Yes. And for that we need to find the rows that we have in the 2D in the grid and the columns that we have in the grid.
Okay.
So for that, I'm not sure how to do it, right? But we can search it up if you want me to, because I'm not sure how to get the length. I think,
So we'll just do
let's see. I think the rows. Okay, I
0
think it's gonna be
length length of grid 0.
that's the
That's the
columns.
columns.
That's
Yes.
the columns. Then the length without the zero, that's the rows. Yes, 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 yes. You got it there. You got it there. Yes, sir. That's pretty
Okay.
much it. All right, so we're gonna be like, all right, we're gonna do a 2D for loop to iterate through the grid. So we're gonna do for I in range of of what is it? Rows, and then the same thing for columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 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 yes. And then we're gonna check if at that position if it's a one.
And inside J.
No, yes, 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 yes.
Um.
If grid at I and J is one, and if so, we're gonna go df. Yeah, df. That's gonna be our function that we're gonna make, and we're
Okay.
gonna send I and J. Yes, sir. And then we're gonna have a counter outside the nested for loops. No, on top, on top, on top, on top, on top, on top, on top. My bad, my bad. On top. Yeah, like that. And then inside the if statement, we're gonna do counter plus plus. There we go. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then we're gonna have a df, a function called df, that's gonna take x and y. All right, and then we're gonna go boom. All right. So here we have x and y, and we're gonna create a queue, right? So it's gonna be q equal dq just with a one UE. Yeah. So that's gonna give us that going on. Then we're gonna
Okay.
need to visit it, and I think you can add it as an array. Yes, just like that. So
So
now that
germ.
Oh, he's here in the stream.
Yeah.
Hey, what up, brother? How you doing, my boy? Yes, sir. Alrighty. So, oh, we're gonna append. What is it called? Append or pop?
A pen.
Append?
Or you're talking
Okay.
about the function that to add the queue? Having to add
Yes.
something in the queue?
Yes, I think it's append.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken. Yes.
Append what?
We're gonna append the
tuple.
tuple of x and y. Yes.
Okay.
It's gonna be q that append the tuple of x and y. Yes, just like that. Yep. So we got that going. Boom. So now we're gonna go visit it.
While queue.
Wow, yeah,
something.
while q. Right. Pop it. We're gonna say x and y. Right. X comma y will equal to the dq dot pop. If I'm not mistaken. Pop. Yes, I think that works. And then, okay, so now we're gonna create our directionals, right? And for that, we'll need to go to the top of the function, out to the right there, and we're gonna create I'll call it like directions or whatever you want to call it, and we're gonna equal it to a list of tuples. So it's a list. Yeah. So how do we go up? We add one, and we keep the row. So it's gonna be 1 comma 0, right? And then on the other one, how do we go right? We're gonna go 0 comma 1, right? How do we go down? We're gonna do -1 comma -1 0. Wait.
How you coming up with this?
Is the position. For example, if we're at 1 1, right? If you want to go to Excalibur real quick, that way I can
No,
explain
I
it
get
better.
what you're saying,
Yeah.
but I'm here.
All right. So, for example, we're at this position right here. It's 1 1, right? If I want to go on top, which is 0 1, I have to subtract the 1 and keep the 0. That
Okay.
way it could be 1 1. Yeah, just like that, playing around with the indices.
All right.
Yeah, and I think I messed up. I think I made you mess up. But yeah, on the LeetCode, I think on the first tuple, that's gonna be -1, and then the other one, the third tuple has to be a +1. Yes, and to go left, we have to equal 0, -1. Yeah, like that. But what do you mean? How am I getting these?
Like, how'd you think of this?
Oh, I mean, it's because we've done a couple similar problems like this ones before in the channel,
Uh huh.
and this is the approach we did to like go up and down, left and right.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's where I'm getting it. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, and that's where I'm getting like most of the approach from like the previous problems we solved.
I remember. I just don't remember this. That's all.
Uh, yeah,
This little.
because I think we did it like on the beginning of like the
Mm-hmm.
solution, and we didn't really like paid attention to like the -1 and zeros and all
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, those things are just gonna makes us move around, figure it
Yeah.
out. Yeah. So now that we have our x and y, right? Uh, what else do we need? We have to loop through the directions. So we're gonna do for let's call it NX for new X. Wait, ah, how do you want to call it? Cause
I
it's
like
because we're gonna get confused now with the variables.
NX.
NX, all right, NX and NY.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
wait.
comma,
Oh,
comma, NY, yeah, in directions, right? Boom, easy like that. Righty, right. And then we're gonna say, okay, now we have to adjust our X and Y, right? So we're gonna call new X, or just like no, call it new X. That way we can know like that's our actual new X will equal to X plus NX. And same thing for the Y. New Y, boom, 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 boom. Hey, thank you, Jeremy. Appreciate the kind words, brother. Yeah. Yeah or nay? Yeah or nay?
I'm seeing it. Yeah, you're just adjusting it like this.
Yeah, yes.
You're yes,
Yeah, okay. So
and
now,
then you you check if it's a one or no.
yes, yes, that, and we also have to check if we're out of bounds.
Okay.
Yeah, so for out of bounds, yeah, I think we could use the variables we declared at top. So we're gonna say if uh okay, so this I think this one is gonna be a lengthy one. So
Ufa.
fast. So if new x is less than zero, right? If new x less than zero, or new y is less than zero, right? Boom. So pretty much this is like if we're in the negatives, right? In
Mm-hmm.
negatives, pretty much. Or new x, since that's our columns, right? So x is going like left to right, is greater than the length, uh-huh, the length
Or
of,
or you want to just use this?
I think we can use those. I'm not
Okay.
yeah. So if it's greater than rho, right? Yes. Yeah. Or same thing, new y is greater than the columns, yeah. Or grid at position new x and new y.
We got a comment. A
Hey, we
AC said,
just
"What's up, AC?" I'm pretty sure we've seen you.
AC.
I'm pretty sure you've been here before. Keep going, Jose. What are you saying?
Um, we actually answered your question, because one of the viewers had a similar question to you a couple like an hour ago, give or take. But we are considering it, right? We're considering it, trying to do a project that we're both comfortable with and we're both like eager or something that we're interested in about and us, but we're a little bit scared that some viewers might deviate because they kind of know our channel for like doing LeetCodes. Uh, but we're for sure considering it, considering this, doing projects in live stream, and I don't know, we have still have to talk it through, sit down, trying to figure out what project to do, and all that stuff. But we're considering it for sure, for sure.
What he
Yes,
said.
yes.
It's just that we don't know if we could do both at the same time. So that's why we fear that people might, that with our audience that might look forward to the leak code stuff, they might not want to see the project stuff. Now, if we did
Yeah,
both at the same time, like let's say we one day we did live streaming our project work, and then another day during the same week we do leak code, then of course that would solve our problem. But we don't know if we have um, enough time allocated to do both
Yeah.
with school right now, and
Yeah.
some of us have work too. So
Yeah.
you know, so but that's why we don't mind the idea. It's just we got to figure out how we would make it work. That's all.
Yeah. For sure. For sure. 100%. 100%.
But it's definitely intriguing because the two people already told us about it. So I mean,
We
there's
might. We might.
um I think it's something new, and there's nothing wrong with doing something new either. So
Yes, sir. I agree
all
with
right,
that.
Jose, I'm here.
All right. No, good. You good. You good. So, with that is said, we have to check if it's a zero. Like, or grid next new x, new y equals zero. Equals zero. Damn, this is a lengthy one. Then semicolon. Continue. But, oh, I almost fell from my chair. All right. So now that we have that, now we have to check if that tuple is inside the queue. Is not a pen. If it's not inside the queue, yeah. If it's not inside the queue,
You add
nor
it to the queue.
visited. Yeah. Yep. 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 Yep.
You got to do that
Oh.
in here though.
Mm,
Oh no,
no. Yeah.
this
The
is
continue.
the okay. So it'll be right here.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So if it's not in queue and visited,
Yes. 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 Yeah. If you wanted to try this a tuple, new x, new y, I think the tuples will be with like parentheses and stuff. New y, yeah. In visited, not in visited. And
right or no?
yeah, yeah. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. I don't think we have to check if it's in queue. If we already have it, if it's in visited, right? In there. Yeah, I think we're supposed to be good there. If I'm not mistaken, we're supposed to be good.
Okay.
And then after that is done, yada yada yada, it's gonna stop, it's gonna break, right? We're
Yep.
gonna finish the function, and that should work. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
But he's not sure though.
I'm not sure.
Let me delete this.
But this is an interesting problem, not lie. I like it.
So I should be able to run it right now.
Oh, return counter, by the way. Return counter. And I think you can return it on line 16. Yeah, right there. Ooh, fast.
Counts are getting. Oh yes, it is.
Hmm. Wait, I think I saw
This.
on line 26. Right there, can you do pop left? Yeah, because I think that's the right one. Because Q, I don't know if that changes anything, but might. Oh, never mind.
AC, how you been? I don't. We don't know too much about you. How you doing? Where are you from? What do you do? School? I don't know. I don't know if we
Hmm.
have time to debug.
Yeah,
I don't want to
yeah.
keep
Right
you
now,
up.
yeah. Right now, my brain is fried, my boy.
But you went on a run. You went on a tear.
Hey, but we
You went
got
on
something
a
going on. We got
you went on a
something going on.
tear.
Little bit, a little bit. I do try my best.
I'm gonna let you lead. I'm gonna let you lead the way, man.
Ah, I
You
think I
call it.
think I'm I
Call
think
it if you need.
I'm good. think I'm good here, brother. So
All
I
right.
do wanna sleep good tonight because
Yeah.
tomorrow I have to wake up at 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, but hey, I'm sorry for that because I know you seemed excited to
No.
solve this problem.
No, man. I mean, I'm down for whatever you're down.
Yeah, I think I'm good calling it here. We gave it a shot. We
Okay.
got a good amount of work going on. Hopefully, the guys that are gonna see us afterwards, I think Jarquin and Alex, if you can guys give us some tips and tricks on where we went a little bit wrong, that'd be amazing. But for sure, I'm down to solve this problem on the stream because like it's Jarquin and Alex confirmed this problem is used on interviews. So
Interviews.
yeah, so I'm eager to finish it and see how it goes. But yeah, brother, think I'm good to go. Good to
All
call it.
right.
Yes, sir.
Well then.
Yeah.
Everyone, we appreciate y'all for coming out tonight. I know it
Yep.
was
Yep. Yep.
a later stream. We still haven't set like a day on when we're gonna be streaming. We
That is
kind of
true.
just
That is
been
true.
doing every Sunday, just because it's the last minute thing. So it's kind of been working out so far.
Yeah.
But I can only assume that's not gonna work out as soon as school starts picking up because Sundays are usually when
Due
assignments are due.
dates. Yeah. Yep.
So,
Yep. Yep.
um, of course, we'll let y'all know whenever we do decide to find like a set schedule. We'll post it in the
Yeah.
Discord so y'all could check that out if you are in the Discord. Other than that, um, just keep our bell notifications on because you'll know whenever we're live as soon as we're live.
Yes,
So,
sir. Yes, sir.
other than that, I already said that. It was a
Yep.
good stream.
I
We
love the
had some
stream,
good
brother.
conversations,
Yep. Yep.
and that's all I gotta say.
Yes, sir. No, I know. Well, whatever Carter said, I say it the same because he said it perfectly. Couldn't say it better. But thank you guys for everything. Thank you, Orcas, Alex, Jarquin, Jeremy, and AC. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for the ones that didn't comment or here on the screen on the stream. Thank you guys for tuning in, staying with us. And I got nothing to say. Carlos, no, just
No,
confirming.
we'll be
No,
here next week.
yes, sir. All right, guys. You guys take care. Peace out. And
Bye.